the lights light up on that, next to that green one? Make it red?
Can you try?
Can you try to make that one come on without turning any flashlights on? Maybe not.
Like the flashlights.
I'm telling you, every time we pull out a flashlight,
Mhm.
it's hard to work with a K2. Their energy is so much easier to work with. It just doesn't change. But you and I saw that K2.
Yeah.
They're the orange down here.
Yeah, I saw it happen a couple of times down
Yeah.
there. Sorry. I got 1-0.
And just leave it in here.
What have you got over there, Claudine, on your?
It's mostly been 0.0, but it's at 0.2 now. The temperature's only adjusting by point something
Fractions.
degrees, yeah.
Alright,
The
George,
most has been 1 degree.
will you turn the flashlight on as fast as you can?
That's cool.
That's
Wow.
good. Can you turn the one closest to me on as fast as you can?
That's the one you have to touch in the back. The opposite end.
I might have to adjust it because he hasn't put it on since I last did.
You want to touch it and see? You're so sensitive, it's hard to.
Now this one, all you have to do is just smack it from the back and it'll turn on. Will you please just smack it from the back?
What are you talking to?
Just bend it over and just give it a good smack it.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. You are on a recording.
Several recordings.
Yep.
Will you please touch the back of this flashlight? I know this is the brightest and you can see the ball the best. See all the pretty colors.
I brought the ball for you to play with. I thought you would enjoy it with this game.
I have this really cool device that you can put energy into.
Oh Lord, here we go. He wants you to charge his phone again.
Are you willing to charge my phone? If so, turn on 3 flashlights at once.
It ain't happening,
He
Duncan.
doesn't even know what a phone is.
If you are willing to help me in my quest to awesomeness, will you please turn on 3 flashlights at once?
George, don't do it.
George, it's okay, man. Don't worry about
There's
it.
2.
Don't
There's
do it,
2.
man.
There's 2. See if we can get the third
Just
one.
move the ball, it'll be easier.
You move the ball, I knock him out, it'll all be fine.
Oh, I'd laugh if the ball moved now.
Oh.
Now, if you push the ball toward Duncan, he can push it back to you.
And we can play a game, buddy. That was a good idea. Will somebody turn a light on? Not that. Okay, that'll work. Will you please keep that light on?
I don't know if you can get that level enough to sit in the dirt.
Oh, will you please turn the light back on, George?
It's been sitting steady at 0.2.
Will you please knock this ball off of the flashlight? If you knock the ball off the flashlight, we'll be able to play the ball.
I just had to say sorry.
You can see the little green light.
I know I can see the little green light.
Now will you please knock the ball?
I just have to.
He's got to see where it's at.
Now do you see where it is? You can leave that flashlight on if you want to. George, which flashlight's your favorite?
Here we go again.
Well, he has multiple choices. I thought that would be the answer.
One of the blue ones.
You can turn them all on, George. You're so good at this. You're really good at this game.
I'm gonna go outside. Give me take this.
Sure.
Can we take the flashlights and go out there and get activity?
I don't see why we would. George, will you turn your favorite flashlight on as fast as you can?
It's got my flashlight so I can't see.
Duncan's got this thing about favorites.
Well, I want him to play the one he wants to play with. Do you want to move the recorder closer to the flashlights?
Yeah, I can do that.
Because I really don't want anybody to step on it.
Yeah, I don't either.
There we go. That little red dot over there, you can, talking to. If you want to see the red dot, you can light up that flashlight that you have kind of lit up. And you'll be able to see the red dot. You can speak into it as loud as you want. If you get EVP'd on this, we gotta hear them.
Oh yeah, definitely.
One more.
I think it's just very, very interesting that he can do, this can do multiples.
Yeah, it's,
I don't see how he gets all the power, all the energy.
He's probably feeding off these crickets, to be honest, as far as we know.
As long as he ain't feeding off my phone.
Oh, he is.
Oh yeah.
Do you remember us coming last time? Playing the game with the flashlight, can you remember that? Duncan put the flashlight down and he asked questions and
We had a nice conversation. Found out a lot about you, George.
do you remember that?
You do remember. Do you remember the bottle of water I left for you? You do. That's good.
Do you remember joking outside that you didn't want to talk to Duncan? Can you turn on this third flashlight to show that you remember that? Can you do that?
Sorry, I go.
I guess you don't remember kicking me out, asking me to leave.
Us laughing about it.